is this, bro? Bro, what is this?
I'll answer it now. Okay, I answered it. Great. I don't want to listen to what he's saying. I don't understand.
I already in here. Let me return.
Alright, I'll open the door for her now.
Let me teleport you guys. 3, 2, 1.
We need to go back to
Here.
Wait, Mike,
I already teleport you.
I don't know. I think it's just an ordinary bed. I don't understand. Wait, did you open this?
No, I didn't open anything.
Then who just opened it?
I have no idea, JJ. What should we do now?
I don't know. I'm really exhausted. I want to rest for a little while. Let's rest for a bit.
Okay, JJ, let's do that. I'll lie down with you now.
Mikey, what's happening? Mikey, look! Do you see this? Oh, guys, I can't move. I have sleep paralysis. What should I do? Oh, no! Mikey, oh, no! Oh, no, guys, we lost. But it's okay. We'll do it again. Now. Great, it's okay. We'll do it again. This time we'll be smarter. So nice. Ready?
Yes, JJ. Now we need to be much more careful. The same thing, JJ. It says the same thing as before.
All right, Mikey, let's take a look. They're calling us again. Let's do that. Great. Let's listen to what he's saying. Nothing interesting. Let's see. Is someone knocking? No, nobody is knocking. Wait, do you hear that? Someone is knocking on the door.
The door on the left just opened.
How, Mikey?
Look and see who's there.
Strange. Why was the light turned off? I turned it on. Everything is fine now. So, what should we do?
I don't know.
All right, someone is knocking again. What should we do? I'll listen now. I don't know whether we should open the door for him or not. I'm scared. Let's try opening it and see what happens. He looks like a normal person. Okay, I'll open it now. I opened it. You really seem like a good person. Wait, nobody's there. What's happening? Everything is fine.
Oh no, JJ. I don't want to lie down. We'll lose again. Look, do you see him lying here? What should we do?
Bro,
Maybe there's another idea. It's unclear. All right, Mikey, we need to lie down. Those are the rules of the game. We lay down with Mikey. Everything is clean. We can get up. Oh no, Mikey, there's dirt here. Let's clean it. Great, we cleaned everything around here.
JJ, someone was in the house.
I see, Mikey. All right, let's stop. Great, we stopped. We need to turn on the light. Again. Let's see what works this time. Great, I understand. All right, we need to get to work. Wait, someone is knocking on the door. Let's see who it is.
bro.
Oh no, I don't want to let him in. I better close the door. Let me close the door. Great, I closed it. Guys, I don't want to let him in.
Hey, JJ, look. There's a camera here.
Really? Let's take a look.
Bro, I
just got
am
kicked out. I can't
so
watch it.
laggy.
All right. Mikey, the door is open. Why?
I don't know. I didn't open it.
Mikey, we need to get out of here.
And what should we do, JJ? Wait, can we cross it? The footage. I think not, JJ.
We need to go this way. All right, we need to go over here. We did everything. Now we need to go back into the house. Someone tried to turn off the camera. Great. Now we need to go back inside the house.
Okay. Bro, I am so laggy. I don't want this to happen.
I don't know. Let's try, I guess.
Maybe not.
I'll open the door for him. He looks like an ordinary person. Let's see. Oh no, Mikey! He's lying here again. He came to us.
And what should we do now?
I don't know, Mikey.
Oh my can jump very high.
Alright, let's lie down for a little while. Everything is fine, Mikey. Great.
Now I understand, JJ. This person simply asked to sleep at our house, and he slept. And in the morning, he left.
I understand, Mikey. You're right. Alright, now we just need to be careful and not let just anyone inside. Okay. Alright, Mikey. Wait, someone is knocking on the door. Who is it? This person looks very suspicious. Oh no, Mikey.
Do you see that, JJ? What is he doing there?
Wait, Mikey, I don't want to let him in. He just came with a knife and knocked on the door. Let's look through the camera. Let's do that now. Wait, I can't see him yet. Oh no, the camera connection cut out. Mikey, look. What do you mean, Mikey? I'm not letting both of them in. Let's take a look. Wait, these are very strange. I don't want to let them in. Let's just let them in. Great.
They're trying to open
Okay guys, bye.